Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a duplicate text box in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to replicate form fields quickly without having to recreate them from scratch, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your document. First things first, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files to locate the PDF document where you want to duplicate the text box. Click on the file to open it. This step ensures you're working with the correct document right from the start. Now, take a look at the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see an option labeled All Tools. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the full suite of tools available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, giving you access to all the features you need for editing and managing your PDF forms. In the left panel that appears, click on View More. This expands the tool options even further, allowing you to see additional features that aren't immediately visible in the default view. It's important to explore this section because it contains specialized tools for form creation and editing. Next, scroll down through the available tools until you see Prepare a Form. This is the feature specifically designed for creating and editing fillable PDF forms. Click on it to enter the form editing mode. You'll notice that Acrobat automatically detects form fields in your document, making it easier to work with existing elements. A dialog box might appear, but for now, simply click Create Form. This confirms that you want to enter the form preparation environment where you can fully interact with all the form fields in your document. Now comes the key part. Click on the text box you want to duplicate to select it. Once it's selected, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while holding C. Click and drag the text box to a new position on your form. As you drag, you'll notice a duplicate text box appears, following your cursor. This is the quickest way to create an exact copy of any form field, maintaining all the same properties and settings as the original. Before you finalize everything, it's always a good idea to test your form. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see a preview button. Click on it to enter preview mode. This allows you to interact with your form exactly as a user would, letting you verify that the duplicated text box functions correctly and appears where you intended. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner. This takes you back to the editing mode where you can make any additional adjustments if needed. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save button in the upper right corner to preserve all the changes you've made to your PDF form. This ensures that your duplicated text box is permanently added to the document. And that's it. You've successfully created a duplicate text box in your fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.